Today we're doing the Volcano Spicy Noodle Challenge. See how the rest of the group is gonna handle this. Now we're gonna eat the spicy noodle, the chicken volcano, and see who can last the longest without drinking water. Who's not a wussy?
Alright, let's add this.
No, mama ain't raised no wussy.
Wait, what do you add?
We add the sauce.
The boat package.
Get paper towel. Yeah, this is
Nah, bro, mama ain't raised no wussy.
No, get paper towel.
Bro, you get this in your eye, you're dead.
Nah, bro. Yo, if you're a real man,
Yo,
you just
$20.
Do it.
Nah, do it for
No,
fun.
like I'm giving fun.
Nah, do it for
The paper towels.
nah, do it for the content.
Oh, $20. Dude,
It's
I'm
like
trying to
oil.
I'll give you 40.
Dude, I'll do it for 100.
Dude. Oh, the equipment, man. Oh my.
Oh,
that's
dude.
bloopers.
Yo,
Bloopers.
fix the camera.
Bloopers. Bloopers.
Oh, wait, you have to get it lower.
No, it gets everyone, bro.
Listen to
No,
me.
it has to.
Dude,
it has
is
to
it filming
get the
upside down?
food.
Yeah, I think
You're on the wrong side. Flip it back up.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
No, I'm not cutting this out.
It'll still be upright when you.
No, but you,
No,
you have
I'm
to flip it
talking-
yourself.
Yeah, that means I have to
Alright,
flip
hold
the
on.
footage. Yo, flip the footage.
Bruh.
Oh,
How's that? Ruined.
here.
Alright, I can't.
If someone open this, it can't open it.
Hey, put this somewhere.
Put it right next to you,
Alright, I'm
bro.
gonna put it right there.
content. Make it clean.
Ugh. Yo, I got on my
It's
fingers.
gonna be David.
What?
Nah, that's not David. He's actually probably the best one here. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't open this for you.
Yo, mama ain't raised no wussy, right?
Oh shit. My face is like heating up, dude.
Yeah, it is.
This is nasty, bro.
Yo, double upload. 2 uploads in one day, bro. I'll upload
Oh,
this
you
tonight.
can smell that.
Yeah, like the more you smell it, the more you water up like your mouth.
Cause it tastes so good, huh?
Alright, dude, I'm gonna just put
That
a
tastes good. It's just hard to.
dude. I'm gonna just put a timer on and see how long we last.
Yeah. Water. No, you're supposed to like finish it first, and then you see how long you last.
Alright.
Oh.
You guys need like the milk
Oh.
ready because
Nah.
it's pretty hot.
Hell nah, mom ain't raised no wussy, right, Ryan?
Yeah.
All right, all yours.
Oh, bro.
Alright, tell us when you're ready for the first bite.
I'm still eating my rice.
Yo, that stuff is gonna come out like the wrong way.
Dude, I'm worried about your shit tonight, bro.
Exactly.
I'm gonna.
What flavor?
Yo, lactose free. We got lactose free milk.
Is it cold though?
Yeah, it was in the fridge.
Yeah, let the noodle cool down.
What the fuck?
Oh, cut that.
What's
in here?
Oh, wait, there's milk.
Ryan, you gotta scoot in, bro. You're not getting into the footage.
Are there like cups?
If I start tearing up, it's because I'm sweating.
Guys, I only got one layer on, so if I say it is hot, there's no more hot left.
Just start stripping.
Dude, I have a shirt that I can rip, bro. Like, you know, when I make another training video, the...
Wait, what the
Oh,
fuck? It smells like poop.
No, bro.
Why are these cracked?
Can I like take a sip of the milk before I start?
Nah, bro.
No, dude,
Mom ain't raised no
actually
wussy.
Bro, just mix it, mix
one
the
cup.
milk in.
That's
Milk.
two.
cups.
Yo, imagine your stomach, bro. That's how your stomach gonna look like.
Yeah, basically.
There's just the cracked ones on top. I'm telling you. 4 cups. Do we need a 5th one? You're gonna eat, right?
Yeah.
You eat half
I'm full, bro.
No, dude, I don't want to eat like
No, you're not, bro. Dude,
Dude,
Ryan's
then
trying
don't
to get
eat
out.
that. Just eat.
Dude, I told you I'd eat it for you.
Alright, we'll pour this.
No, don't pour it. They're gonna try to grab the milk. Yeah.
It just shows that they're a wussy if they grab it. Alright.
Oh, you know what my mom just called me? I gotta go.
Alright.
Yeah. Is that my Uber?
Alright.
Yeah, my Uber.
And then the 5th one, just use it. You want me to pour it?
Nah, don't pour one for Devin. He's not a wussy dude.
Dude, we're all not wussies, bro.
No, I'm still pouring.
We're all not gonna drink it, right?
Right.
Shit. There's not enough.
Me and you just sitting here like. Oh, we know how that's.
Why do
that's
we have
not
the front row seats?
You know how the last time went?
Alright. Once David get back, we'll start.
Dude, it's hot, bro.
Yo, someone bring a fan.
Just blow on it.
That's what she said.
Dude, Andy, why you spitting on it, bro? I saw that.
Oh, see, not well. You continue the whole bowl. I can't eat it.
Dude, I was just kidding, bro. JK Films. Dude, this is J.
Alright,
This
I
is
should look
JK
at
Party.
here.
This is JK Party, right?
Yeah, JK Party. JK
Yeah, bro, I
Party.
would start charging that. That's crazy.
Yo,
Yeah,
collab
leave
JK
that,
Party.
leave that.
Alright, we just start in 3,
Hey,
2.
got the first bite.
Hold on. My shit is still
No,
like
dude, what you
in
mean?
one piece.
Hurry up. Yo, everyone
Oh.
taking first bite.
Alright, hold on. Here, let me use this.
Alright, don't give me that Owen shit, bro.
No, what you mean? What you mean? Wait.
Oh, I'm already sweating, bro. It's hot.
I got you with that Owen, bro.
Yo, listen
Alright.
with that Owen shit,
Oh,
bro.
shit.
I'm gonna shove the whole bowl down your throat.
Alright, you
Honestly, that would
get
be
you
less
get one
painful.
end, I get the other end.
Alright.
We're not gay, I
You
swear.
guys, wait, you guys
No
are
homo.
sus.
Oh, it's content, bro.
That's sus.
That is content.
Content.
No, that's
Ready?
sus.
Alright,
Alright,
here,
3,
I'll take this one on. This one. I don't know.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh,
Alright, is it the big reveal yet? This is actually the volcano one. This is not the normal one.
that's the hot one. Not the hot one.
Can you drink the milk so I can drink it and not feel bad?
Oh, tell me.
I have
What
one
do you-
fucking noodle. One noodle, bro. I'm fucking dead.
Are we going slow?
Mm-hmm.
No, you finish it however fast you want, bro.
Come on, Gilbert.
What are you doing?
I'm just doing like a regular mukbang here, bro.
Bro, the girl said I should make a mukbang, bro. But honestly, I don't got money to make that shit.
What do you mean? Just get food.
Food costs money. Dude, you look like you tearing up, bro.
I tear up, but it's I'm
not tearing up.
Oh,
for
my
me,
fucking throat.
for me it just tears up, but I can't do anything about it.
Dude, my throat.
Dude, light work.
It hurts to breathe. No, I'm good.
You had like one bite.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like you had an extra
I
bite.
had 2 bites.
Don't
Oh,
go
yeah.
on us, bro.
Well, I'm not drinking orange. It's fine.
I'm not faint, bro.
Hold on. You got some on your neck.
What?
Your neck? What?
Like no.
How you get something?
Here, hold yo, do this. No, put your hand right there.
Oh.
No, like right here, like this. Here.
Well, Andy got it first.
No, this is honestly the same one as the regular one.
I know, bro. Light work. Dude, the trick is hold it in everything.
We'll see.
Oh, you got the half one.
Well,
So, I think this is yours now.
let me just rub the sauce out.
This is actually like bomb.
Dude, I feel like my mouth is vibrating.
My whole body's vibrating right now.
Have you tried the normal one?
Yeah. Dude, you're actually crying, bro.
I cried, but
Oh.
it's just a body reaction to it.
I can do the normal.
Dude, I have one fucking bite.
You see nothing? Alright, fuck it.
You fucker. You wiped off all the sauce.
Tell me you can't finish it.
Hey, Ryan. Well,
Dude, don't.
dude.
What the fuck? That's not your cup, bro.
Where are the napkins? You guys need napkins?
Mm-hmm.
I need to wipe my tears, man.
Smite.
How long we going, bro?
Mom ain't raised no wussy, so. I know Eric is that good, bro. He's just like.
He's eating the mala. Why
No, it's lactose free. It's not gonna help.
Those are for wussies, bro. Lactose free.
I mean,
Dude, this ain't even hot.
I won't be back.
Give me the refill.
get the big one.
The milk.
Here.
Okay.
Get him. Hey. Stop. You gotta actually explain that. Chill.
Oh, it's choked.
Don't use the same napkin twice because you might get on your eye or something. Hey. You guys need napkins.
It's too late.
Oh no, I forgot my seasoning. Put it in here.
I'm gonna eat it.
It's not.
Bet. Look, this is really dry.
I told you.
You want milk?
Yeah. You're making it hotter.
Mommy ain't raised this wussy.
Dude, he looks like he's dying, man. He looks like he's dying.
Hold on, give me a refill.
Hurry up.
We shouldn't have added to ours.
Oh.
You still want this?
No. I had 2 bites.
I think Ryan can finish it.
Give me that. I think you're tripping. I think I'm crying.
I don't want to look at that.
Alright, I'll eat it.
Cut.
I gotta say that again, bro.
Why didn't we just get the regular one, bruh?
They didn't have regular one.
Alright. You sure you don't want this? You don't want it either? I'm not eating that. You're eating it.
If it was regular, I would eat it, right?
Finish it now.
Alright.
I got you, bro.
You want
I'll
it?
help you.
You can eat his. I'll eat theirs.
Doable.
For the contact. Anything for the contact.
Come on. Switch the balls.
One bite.
You can't. Okay, you can one bite that, but this is way too much.
Hey, just say it. Your tongue. I can't even drink one milk. Dude, I should be feeling hot, but I feel cold.
You got one bite.
I too, bro. Shut up. 2.
I took that bite, but wait, where's the milk?
You know, I don't know why. The more I eat this, the less it gets spicier.
Cool.
Shut the fuck up.
No, actually, I'm just taking it.
Oh, shut up.
It's not even. I don't know what happened. Dude, I think it burned my taste buds. I think it burned my taste buds.
You didn't even taste my rice, dude.
Why is it getting worse? Dude, why are you eating hot food? Are you crazy?
One bite, go.
I think it burned my taste buds, bruh.
What the fuck? Zoom in on his face.
That was like a fresh bowl, bro.
Come on, I finished my second one.
Dude, you did it in like one bite, bro.
No, trust me, it's not spicy. It's not spicy. It's not. Trust me. I'm not kidding.
Yo, this is how you get your kids to
Right?
drink milk when they're little. What happened to you don't need milk?
Just for it.
Nah, mom ain't raised no
You
wussy,
don't
bro.
need this.
You act like a David's lips, bro.
Do I need to wipe it?
Yeah, you should wipe it.
I'm getting cold for drinking all this milk. Yeah, feeling cold, but.
I'm actually gonna shit this out. I
It's
ate way
red.
too much.
It's gonna be red, bro.
Where you gonna spit it out? He's gonna spit his milk out. Wait, where's the milk? Oh no, my turn. I'm blinded up. Yo, I need a refill.
No, dude, you're good.
You're good. You
You're
ate.
good, bro.
You drank 4 cups.
You drink more than I did,
Burning,
bro.
dude. You had
This is my second cup.
Yeah, but I ate more than you.
You ate 2 bites.
You
I
ate 2 bites.
I ate 2
Yeah,
fat we all had bites. 2 bites. You ate 2 baby
We all
bites.
had 2 bites, bro.
You had 2 Owen bites. I had 2
Oh, you know,
7 bites.
I need 3.
Alright.
Ah, you a real man, right?
Oh, fuck!
Yo, my chopstick!
Oh no, my shirt's good. My shirt's good. My shirt's good. My shirt's good.
Alright, Ryan, finish that.
Wait, I need to go.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Actually.
No, just.
I'll just eat it.
Oh, I think my eyes
No, just eat your old one.
Oh, I thought they had milk.
No,
Yo,
dude,
finish that.
just
You ain't
eat your
no
old
pussy,
one.
right?
Turn on the content!
We back.
Give me that. Yo, it's not doable.
It's not doable.
Oh, give me the camera. Okay, wait. Give me the camera.
Wait, I have my own chopsticks. I feel better now. Well, yeah, after like the 5th cup of milk. After the 5th cup.
No, that one's mine.
That was yours. Alright, I got
Right here. For
or 3rd bite.
third place, right here. Whoa, that's a strand, bro.
3rd bite. 3rd place.
That's a fucking strand. He's done, bro. He's done.
3rd place. 3rd place.
All right,
Dude, I
Gilbert.
think I burned my taste buds.
Finish it. Finish it, Gilbert.
Hold on. I need to prepare myself.
All right, Gilbert. One bite, like David.
Can I use cups?
Just use it.
I don't know which one's mine. This one's the new one.
Dude, I feel like I burned my taste buds. No, because I'm not feeling anything right now.
Guys, right here.
I eat a whole
One
thing.
bite.
Whole
Yeah.
thing, one bite.
One bite. Make sure the plate is clean. Lick it clean.
Dude, this is to put yourself above Owen.
I'm already above.
No, you're not, bro. As of right now, you're not.
He's gonna put us above me and Andy.
Kobe.
I'm already above Andy. What do you mean?
Nah, bro.
I'm above me then. My 1 bite is basically your 3 bites. What are you talking about? No, give me some of that then. Come on. I don't fuck it. Show you who's leader.
Yo.
I'll split it half and half with you. Alright, deal. You half.
Alright, one bite. Yo.
Alright, that's about half, right?
That's not half.
Well,
That is like about half.
That is not half, bro.
Thank
here,
you.
let me get a bowl.
So hard to record reverse,
Actually, no,
bro.
fuck that. Yeah, I'll do this much. No.
Wait, show the camera how much I'm eating compared to him.
Wait, you're gonna eat all that?
No, take more.
What?
Dude, end it, reverse the camera.
Hell nah.
It's not even. Yeah. Alright, what's that over there?
Ew. That's probably the one with my snot on it.
I'm not.
Oh, that's probably mine.
No, I'm not a wussy like you. So
Whoa, what? See, I just did that for the joke, you know. I didn't really mean it.
wait, how can you grab it all with one hand? I can't.
Because you don't know how to use chopsticks
Yeah,
properly.
Right.
Fuck. I'm gonna regret this so much.
Eat
Oh, you know
it!
what, bro? I gotta go.
Hey, yo, there's still one more. There's still one more, bro.
Fuck me.
Dude, he's shaking, man.
It's not my bad.
I told you.
Finish it.
Well, I mean, I don't know about you because you didn't.
You don't need this? 5 minutes? 5 minutes? 5 minutes later?
Nah, bro, mom ain't raised no wussy. You drink that, you basically didn't do anything.
I'm telling you, it doesn't. It's not like.
It's not as bad as the first one.
It's real. I mean, I don't know about you because you didn't eat much.
Whoa.
Come on, wussy.
Whoa.
It's not as bad.
Oh, he didn't finish it. I'll finish the rest, I guess.
Whoa.
Just lick the bowl. Lick the bowl.
Nah, bro, that's stupid.
You suck it into your throat. You're gonna get fucked.
Licking no balls, pussy.
It's cold now. It's not as bad.
Lick that.
Yeah.
I like mine.
Okay, lick yours.
Oh, my throat. Oh, that's a TG in my throat.
You're good, bro. You're good. It's actually not that bad after it cools down.
I told you. No, it's not that. It's just
No, like,
you're
the
used.
cold noodle is not as bad as the hot noodle. Like,
Bro.
when we first ate it, was hot.
For me, it's.
Ryan's dying.
He drank it, dude. Gilbert, he drank it.
What happened, bro? I thought you don't eat it. I thought you don't eat
What are you
it.
talking about?
I thought you don't eat it.
Wait, which cup is mine?
I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, what? What?
This is mine.
So can I drink it now? I'm gonna drink it now.
I don't know. Why are you drinking? Why are you drinking? Huh? Why are you
He
drinking?
drank your
You
cup,
drank it
bro.
already, buddy.
I ain't drinking anything, bro.
That's his. He drank from it.
I use a new cup.
Yeah, cause he drank.
Dude, I just want to test my taste buds because it's fucking. I think it burnt. Oh shit! Never mind.
Hello. Wow. Hi.
More milk, guys.
The thing is,
Hey, you already drank it, so.
I know what you're talking about. I don't got no milk. I didn't get any milk. Look, that's Gilbert's cup. That's also Gilbert's cup. That's Andy's cup.
I didn't drink
That's
it.
David's
I
cup.
didn't drink it.
Dude, look at Ryan. Look at this dude.
He's dying.
You have a tissue? What happened to mama ain't raised no wussy?
Yeah, where's the Marn W, bro?
Con nhà muối là mà được đấy.
More like.
Devin drank milk too.
I don't know. I didn't drink no milk. There's no evidence.
Hey.
Cái này đi tôi liều lên nó lùi người ta. Chứ còn làm tôi luôn.
Go ahead, Leon. I'm like a bong here.
Tôi sợ quá nè. Nhưng mà tôi chưa còn làm được rồi.
Sponsor me.
bro, they both cried. Bro, I'm gonna wash this down. This
Hey,
looks
Ryan.
disgusting, bro.
Ryan.
Cái đó khi ở trong mặt cho khỏi.
Get that out of that weak ass shit.
David.
Hả?
Đi từ trong phần gì vậy hả?
Okay.
Con lưỡi quá à?
Okay.
Ok. Để em có tên là bác hả? Chừng đã coi đây.
You okay, dude? Hey, there's another one back here.
Nhưng mà không có làm được gì.
Content.
David.
Mike.
You good, dude?
Hey, get out the shot. Wait, what?
I just had some mucus.
I'm getting sick like right now.
Dude, you drank so much milk, that's why.
Cay người ta dầm xịt.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Ugh. I got that on camera. Oh, God.
Hả?
Oh, I'm getting lightheaded.
Coi là David.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh. How would Jeff go on?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
我識你姐夫同你嘅。
好難睇。
Đi rồi thôi. Ok, thì ông ở lầu đó. Bye. Bye.
What was the move? Any milk, any milk.
No, you don't. Milk is temporary. Oh, if you want a better method, no, do this. Wipe your tongue with a napkin.
Give me milk.
Wipe your tongue with a napkin.
Oh, that was supposed to be my milk.
No, this is my milk.
Nah, that's my milk.
No, dude, you already finished your
I
milk.
don't drink. I didn't drink milk.
Oh, shut up. You drank all the milk, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Take the blue one. You guys finished the carne I know how.
No, dude, it's Gilbert and it's Ryan, bro. I had 2 cokes.
You spin it out too. Drink it.
Yo, put your mouth on the faucet.
How you die?
With the camera on my face, bro.
Don't do this to me.
You pay for my milk? Alright.
Cold water.
Yo, shove your mouth under the faucet.
Hi.
He locked me out the toilet.
You know, I finished the whole bowl.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm good.
You want ice?
No, ice doesn't help.
Ice for wussies.
Oh, ice in the milk.
No, that's gonna make the milk stupid.
What?
I think I've gone stupid from eating that, honestly.
Dude, I got lost my phone for a second.
I did better than
I was
Owen.
gonna look at my phone over there, but I really my phone over here, bro.
I'm good.
Why you keep drinking milk, man? I thought mama ain't raised no wussy.
I ate 2 bowls.
No, you didn't, bro. You had like 2
I
bites.
ate 2 bowls. I was like 2.5 bowls.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You want some milk?
Nah, that's for wussies, bro.
I need it.
Nah. Dude, milk's for wussies, bro.
Devin was drinking milk too.
I don't know what you're talking about. Dude, I don't know why you're lying, bro. You clearly know he had some milk.
Ready? Flex your abs.
I'm not gonna throw up.
Hey, Gilbert. But
The rice?
dude, I'll finish it for you. Dude.
Yo, we still gotta go to the gym, bro. Come on, let's go.
Oh yeah. You gotta go. Hit the gym. Let's go.
Hit the gym, bro.
Yo, Ryan, I'm finishing your rice for you.
I'm actually pregnant.
Dude, your belly is so fucking big.
Something like that. Oh, guys.
Dude, like from the angle, it actually looks like you're pregnant.
Big announcement.
Dude, he's actually what the hell?
No, like I can like pop it out.
Hey, look, your nips.
That's
shit.
hella. Let me see if I
2
can do
months.
it. Look at this.
And
Oh,
that's
dude,
the
I can do it.
Gender reveal coming soon. So subscribe. Stay tuned. Gender reveal coming soon. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? No, I'm actually pregnant. No, I'm pregnant, bro. Dude, this is stupid.
Dude, honestly, I don't know why I'm around like rarded people, bro.
See,
Dude, he's rarded. He's rarded. He's rarded. Dude, this dude always play on his phone. You already know this was the rarded one.
Stab him. Stop
I
him.
was better than Ryan.
Dude, he's charging his phone.
Talking about.
So this the one that drank a gallon of milk, bro.
This is the one that ate more.
Oh, you have more milk than me.
Right, until they ate more than you.
Vitamin D candies.
Yo,
Yo, you already had so much vitamin D from that milk, bro.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D's
Wait,
nuts.
1 or 2.
I'm actually pregnant. No, I'm pregnant, bro.
Dude, stupid.